In a world that often pushes us to compete, I've discovered a profound truth. Community over competition. As freelance creatives, we're taught to guard our secrets, protect our territory, and climb that ladder alone. But here's the thing. What if we've got it all wrong? I've seen firsthand how the magic happens when we choose collaboration over isolation. When photographers share their techniques, when designers brainstorm together, when we lift each other up instead of pushing each other down. Think about it. Every time you share your knowledge, you're not losing ground, you're gaining allies. Every time you celebrate another creative success, you're building bridges, not burning them. This isn't just a feel-good philosophy. It's a growth strategy. Because when we pool our resources together, share our networks, and support each other's dreams, we all rise higher than we ever could alone. That's why community over competition isn't just a saying to me, it's a revolution in how we approach our craft. Because in the end, success isn't about outrunning each other, it's about running together, pushing each other forward, and creating something bigger than ourselves. So, let's build something beautiful together. After all, a rising tide lifts all boats.